So we are in Iceland, and it was even a little bit better a minute ago, but it took a second to set this up. But it's still pretty cool, and I wanted to do the share on it to show all that pink. And whatever else here in Iceland may be in the skies, because you know there's always something here. This place does not let you down. Never. Look at that. Is that rich or what? That's as close as I can get in, and it is fantastic. I would have loved to have seen it 10 minutes ago, but I can't be everywhere. I guess I could have been here. I was playing with my cat. Sometimes other things are a little more important. That's amazing. Whatever that is. Huh. Yeah, 10 minutes ago would have been a whole lot better. This is good. Still telling. It's moving kind of funny, isn't it? Let me pull out a little bit and that's good enough. Yeah. Puts a whole new light on it. Okay, I don't remember seeing trees there. Ever. So I don't know what those are. No, I don't. Let's take a look. Wow. What are those? What the heck? Yeah, I don't remember seeing trees there ever. That's as close as I can get. Look at the spacing on them. I could be wrong. I'll come back here later. I don't mind being wrong. Actually, a few minutes from now I'll be able to look and we'll see if they're still there. I mean, it's not like there's any trees anywhere here, you know? It's just always flat land. Could be wrong. Let's take a look at that. It's pretty fantastic. To get up too close, it's just a bright blur. A little close is okay. Somehow it looks like more than one object here. That one's separate than that one. Then you got a little something going on over here. I mean, what do you think of that? We know we've picked up videos that had 2 and 3 so-called suns in them before. I know I've taped them. Back about 3 weeks ago or a month ago, I got some really amazing footage from here. Kind of images that I'd never seen before, so detailed. All the objects that were layered in the sky, just layered in full color. It was amazing. Look at that square. That's still, oh man. Okay. I want to go all the way over. Okay, that's it. That's an awful lot of even looking lighting, isn't it? Got round there, so that's something. But like I said, here and further over it looks like it's something also. We're going to get some rays. But I'm almost out of time. We're getting a lot of pink these days now, aren't we? Mm-hmm. Look at that color. What the heck is that? That line. Alright. We'll see everyone. These colors are awesome. I'm gonna make a few more. I'll see you.